Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasni Call Tiwa Student Union ATSU Meghalaya State Committee kalapan khan biang ye jingdawa ba ka sarkar Meghalaya bar ka sarkar India kin ithu no ye ka binriu Tiwa lalung kum ka schedule tribe ST Meghalaya da ka ong ba kani ka kam kala long ka ba kirki nama ka census arajar arnyo kala jansdang Habakrana kilat pathai khubor ha Shillong Press Club. U General Secretary ka ATSU ba Edelbert Diller, ulo ong ba ka jing thup ying ba jing I number ki ying house listing but house numbering. Jong ka census arhajar arnyo, ka jing ithu pat ba kan sedang nadu ubnai nailar arhajar arnrio. Ulam maham balada om penrung ye ka kerteng tiwala lung ha ka thup syaban sedang ka census ki jat benrio tiwa Kendang sya no biang na gijing tho pat ba jong ka sarkar. Uba dilar loong baka ATSU kam smotho balay ka jai benriu tiwa hadu menta kampat sya penrung ha katup ST ha Meghalaya. Wala ka di ka way na gijai benriu try muluk jong ka jila. Ulong baka ni ka jing no kam yahab bar ka history ka culture baka jing aday jong ka jai benriu tiwa bat ka jila Meghalaya. Ka ATSU kre thuru pala live host nem ka sengring kat baki wei par ki kin hon tiwa kela aibun sien ki dor khas bar ki jing terwa shi ka sarkar Meghalaya bar ka sarkar deng de ki linti ki besung bat kar kum kariti sinshar kari rehadu menta ompat yo kanu ka jubab ka bashay ni ka rai ka bakun halor ka te ki jing dawa ha ka jing yalang berkilat pathai khubor ka ATSU kam shimla penai ka jing dan pai ba jong ki tiwa ha Meghalaya penban kala banjur ba ka census 8,000 arnyo kadai ban kentup bar khen pai ba hok ya ka jai ben riu tiwa ban kershan ya ka jingdawa ka ATSU kala kadawi ka sakhi ki ba kentup ya ka history jong ka hima gobha ki jingtho jong uru start khasi ba b pakam ki ba penshisha ya ka jingdon jong ki tiwa ha Meghalaya ki kot jingya tho pai ba jong ka sarkar ki ba pen ya ki shnong tiwa hari bhoi bar ki than ba marjan ringkat bar ki shithi bar ki sinnot bala ai do usim ka hima khairim Dr. Balajit Singh si. Kiba ithu ikitiwa kum ki try shnong try muluk jong ka Meghalaya. Kaseng kala kadoru bagi jakatun rai jong kitiwa kila one half hapo Meghalaya nadu bala thau ye ka jilla haus nem sia jak na Espanyol po ar. Ka ATSU kala ong ba hadu menta omdan kanu ka jingkular ka baskem na ka sarkar jilla lani na ka sarkar deng halor ka ga jingdawa. Kasengla pensyairu baga jingdawa ST jengki kamdei persya ikanu ka jai benriu ST kabla dan lupa ha Meghalaya. Ka jingtmu kalong tang banyo ika jing ithu kadkum kariti sinshar baga history jong ka jai benriu tiwa khandakta ika hok jong ki weipan. Kadkum ka ATSU lada yo ika jila ST kan wanra ika jing ithu pat ba ika jai benriu tiwa kum ki try muluk jong ka Meghalaya kan pentikna ya ka jingrung kerteng ha ka census bat ki kot sarkar. Kan yadai ki hok bala ai de kriti sinshar kan ailat banyo iki skim jingiram jong ki scheduled tribe bar kan yarab ban preserve lane ban pinne ek jingede ka culture baki hok tun rai jong ka jai benrio ka ATSU kala mahang bala da ka sarkar kadang penslam migni ka kam ka sengkan beteng bani khunning ba baro kilat ki basya da ka an bar kriti sinshar kan thup ru ban net shiying bishala da don kam Henry kala banjur baka kwa ban penbet ya kani kamat ling baka jinge kren bak linti pat ba ki ba jai ban ki bakat kum ka an.
This historical administrative change, the identity, history, and traditional homeland of Tiwa Lalung people remain well documented. Following the events of 1832, the British authorities demanded that the Raja of Chandia hand over the Raja Chutur Singh of Goba. However, the Chandia Raja refused to surrender him. Consequently, both the Raja of Chandia and Raja Chutur Singh of Goba were arrested, and in 1835, the Chandia kingdom was annexed by the British. After India attained the independence, further administrative change took place. In 1951, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Mikir Hills Autonomous District Councils were established. During this reorganization, the ancient Tiwa kingdom of Goba was divided once again. The present day Sarigrai, Sangrai, areas of River District which now fall under the jurisdiction of Hima Khairi, remain within the Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council. These areas have historically been the traditional rights of Tiwa Lalong community. Their customary village administration continues to be preserved under the traditional institution of Loro, who served as the customary chief of the Tiwa people. These historical and customary institutions are clearly evidence of Tiwa Lalong communities' long-standing presence, governance, and cultural heritage. And the process of house listing and house numbering will begin beforehand. This census is crucial for ensuring that every community is correctly identified and properly presented in official government records. The process of house listing and house numbering for the census is expected to commence in August 2026. However, a concern and disappointment arise from the fact that in the list of scheduled tribes prepared by the government of Meghalaya for the upcoming census, the name Tiwa Lalong are not included. The Tiwa Lalong community is one of the indigenous tribes of Meghalaya. This is historical fact that cannot be denied. Like the Khasi, Garo, and Jandia communities, the Tiwa Lalong people became part of the newly created state of Meghalaya in 1972, along with their ancestral land. Historically, the ancient Gobai state, the traditional homeland of the Tiwa people, share a common boundary with the ancient Jandia kingdom. The territory of ancient Jandia state extended as far as Parabujia and Tobakusi Roha, reaching the banks of the Brahmaputra River. These historical facts are well documented and clearly establish the long-standing presence and identity of Tiwa Lalong community within the present-day state of Meghalaya. Historical records, including the writings of the renowned Khasi scholar B. Pakem, who was also known as Professor of Political Science in Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, provide clear evidence of the historical presence of Tiwa Lalong people in present-day Meghalaya. The sketch map prepared by B. Pakem clearly identifies areas such as Goba, Barabujia, Tobakusi, Kuluguri, Khala, and Sahori, and other adjoining regions as parts of the ancient Jandia state. These areas were historically governed by Tiwa Lalong principalities, and copies of these historical records have been enclosed for reference. Annex 1. Furthermore, the ancient Gobai state, the traditional homeland of Tiwa Lalong people within the Etswal Jandia kingdom, was historically divided into both hill and plain regions. Areas including Neli, Khala, Sahuri, Parabujia, Tobakusi, Pulaguri, Tetilia, and Timoria were later brought under the jurisdiction of the District Commissioner of Nagaon in 1835. This administrative change followed the events involving Raja Shutur Singh of Goba, who was accused by the British authorities of capturing 4 British officers and later sacrificing 3 of them during the conflict of 1832. Constitutionally principles and the legitimate rights of an indigenous community that has been an integral part of Meghalaya since its formation. Now our demands. Through this press conference, we respectfully place the following demands before the government of Meghalaya and the government of India. Number 1, inclusion in the 2027 census. The name Tiwa Lalong should be included in the list of scheduled tribe for the purpose of the 2027 population census in the state of Meghalaya. Necessary steps should be taken immediately so that the Tiwa Lalong community is correctly recorded from every beginning of the census process, including the house listing and house numbering exercise scheduled to commence in August 2026. Number 2, recognition as a scheduled tribe. We reiterate our long-pending demand, which has remained unresolved for more than 3 decades, that the indigenous Tiwa Lalong community of Meghalaya be granted recognition as a scheduled tribe in the state of Meghalaya under its rightful identity of Tiwa Lalong. Our demand is based on historical evidence, official records, constitutional principles, and the continuous peaceful effort of our community. We firmly believe that justice delayed should not become justice denied. Finally, on behalf of Tiwa Lalong community of Meghalaya, we once again express our sincere gratitude to all members of the electronic and print media for your valuable presence and your patience, and for giving us the opportunity to present our concern before the people of the government. Sewa. And since then, we are continuously submit the memorandum to other chief minister also. Till date, our present chief minister have received twice memorandum regarding this issue.
So that means
We did not get any assurance. They only said that we will look into it. That's the only answer we got. Any interaction regarding that? They didn't say anything to us. Whether we are eligible to vote or not, we didn't get any response from them also.
but
I extend my warmest welcome and sincere gratitude to each one of you for accepting our invitation and being present with us today. Your commitment to informing the public and giving a voice to the concern of communities is deeply appreciated. Before we begin today's press conference, we would like to honor and felicitate you by presenting our traditional Tiwa shawl.